All right, let's talk about the proverbial elephant in the room, right? Crypto sucks right now. It has for the last, well, if you really want to talk about it, from 2022 and 23, our really last good bull run that we had was a small one in the fourth quarter of 2021. All right, it's not good right now. It's great. It's not exciting. It's boring. We have days like this where we're down 2%. We might be up a point or two tomorrow. And I'm talking about that number right there. But overall, it just sucks. I mean, you can feel it. You can feel everybody's kind of like standing with their arms crossed in the proverbial room, right? And they're all kind of looking around going, all right, well, when's something going to happen? What's exciting? Is there anything going to break loose? Well, I'm going to give you at least some maybe light at the end of the tunnel. All right. It depends on how you want to look at it, but I definitely am seeing this as a light at the end of the tunnel because, guys, I'm in it with you. I'm here every day. I own a ton of crypto. I buy every day. I sell every day. I'm in the market every single day. And I'm always looking at it. In fact, I look at it way too much. My wife is like, hey, could you not talk about crypto in the last 10 minutes? Kind of that deal. Right. And so, look, that's the deal. That's the reality. But again, like I teased you, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Okay. And this Twitter post from Rect Capital, which I'm a huge fan of, giving them a shout out. This is not a sponsored video from Rect. I look at their stuff every single day. Really great technical charts, but really some great charts and graphics to kind of very simply show the cycles of Bitcoin, but remember where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market follows. Okay. So even if you don't own Bitcoin, you need to pay attention to, um, you know, people like Rect Capital, things like that. Okay. So here we go. So this is really great stuff. Bitcoin is 125 days after the halving. Remember, we had the halving back in April 20th, approximately. That was the date. And then right here, Bitcoin tends to break out into the parabolic, that's the good phase of the cycle, some 160 days after the halving. If history repeats, Bitcoin just be over a month away from the breakout. That's the light at the end of the tunnel that I talked about earlier. That is late September. Okay. So taking a look and digging a little bit deeper into this chart, make sure you guys can see it. Yes, you can. Here's what we got. What you're looking at on the left-hand side was that 2020 to into 21 Bitcoin halving cycle. Now we fast forward to 24. Here's your 24 cycle. And so what you need to know is you see the pink, but see the blue line, that was the halving event on the left side. You see on the right side, that's our halving event on the right side. You see the pink box, that is the post-halving reaccumulation phase. That's on the left side. We have the same one on the right. And then we have the green box, which is the parabolic boom. Bitcoin goes up and all of crypto goes up with it. Okay. So you can see what happened back in 2021. We had this red pink box. You can see, look at this, the pink box on the left. Look at the pink box on the right. Look very similar, don't they? Okay. So Bitcoin has basically been doing exactly what it should be doing from a charting standpoint, from a TA, technical analysis standpoint. It's doing exactly what it needs to be doing. The expectations, it's meeting it. Okay. So, and you can see when we get out of that pink box is when we start to see things just go parabolic. To give you some perspective, that green box on the left side was where Bitcoin went from a little over 11,000 to its all-time high of 68,000. Yeah, you heard me right. In our green box, we're going to see Bitcoin go from, mid 60s all the way north of 150,000. Might have a chance to hit 200,000 by September, October of 2025. But we could see Bitcoin at 150,000 by the end of the first quarter of 2025. That's how fast we can see things take off from here. And that is the good news. That is the light at the end of the tunnel. That is the, crypto sucks right now, but by the end of September, maybe even, well, again, less than 3 to 4 weeks from where we're at right now, we could start see things really, take off. And so I'm getting ready for that. I've done a bunch of videos on it. What am I doing? I've basically got, stable coin ready, cash ready to when the market turns to kind of get in. Now, final thought here is just to give you some perspective. You can see on a charting standpoint, this is kind of where we're at. This is Ethereum. And I'll show you Bitcoin in a minute, but you can see we just have this volatility. Nothing's really going on. Okay. But by the way, this is my software giving you guys these buy and sell alerts and see like there to there, 4%, but also like, basically sell, don't take a 4% loss. Okay. So that's something if you're interested in like my trading indicator, look, it costs about $1 a day. There's a 30-day, no questions asked money back guarantee. So you can try the software for free. It's going to give you the exact time. It's going to basically tell you when to buy and when to sell. And I don't have my phone up here, but it'll send alerts to your phone. Hey, buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, or any alert for any crypto you want. You can use it anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Anywhere in the world, you can use my software. It works. It tells you exactly when to buy and when to sell any and all crypto. Like you can see, here's Polkadot right here. Let me show you. Like here's Bitcoin. So you can see kind of this is the Bitcoin chart. We had a buy alert here all the way up to that. That was about a 6% move up. Right there in that blue box in 5 days. It notifies you. So this is almost like a secret advantage you could have. You have the software running, it's sitting there, and it's waiting for when things take off. They start getting all these alerts, and you're like, oh my God, it's time to buy Bitcoin. It's time to buy, whatever. It's time to buy. It works on all meme coins, all that stuff. It works on everything. So give it a look. Links in the description below. Hey, take it for a test, man. You got 30 days, no questions asked, money back, refund guarantee. So you got zero risk in this. And it's going to tell you exactly when to buy to get back into the crypto market at the perfect time. All right, later. I'll see you. Bye.